aba bisakorwa abisi yomo prime cabinet secretary Musalim Davade ni gobakora etaro gochase county ya Nyamira na Kisii rio Korigereria Emeroberio ya serikali bunegendera tasi county echo ibero robot ruti atronyora sinjira yuboikirana
Nyanza region and the county commissioner for Kisii. We are here to visit various projects, priority projects under better. In Kisii we have had an opportunity to visit the Siri and Sonka Koba road that is being upgraded to bitumen standards. It's a road, the road length is 15 kilometers that have been done, and the total is 15 kilometers and 9 kilometers have been done. 6 are remaining to be completed. Our report will assist because I think there are 2 projects that have delayed the road. We have been told the challenges, and I think we have proposed some way forward, and we hope that that will help fast track the process, and as well we will escalate whatever needs to, the intervention that needs to be put in place so that the project can be completed. The same with the Kiamawasi TTC. We have provided an interagency team to look at the issues surrounding the delayed implementation, and then so far we have Kisumu, Siaya. No, not the projects.